What's going on, guys? Hey, thank you for liking all my videos, watching all my videos. I got 70 some odd likes on my video as of today. But we're gonna talk about a little something today. We're gonna rant a little bit. We're gonna work out a little bit, and guess what? Hey, we're gonna cook a little bit. But needs to say, hey, I'm having a great day. I woke up today. I had duty, but when I came home, I was a little inspired, so I decided to record today. After I finish this little green juice, this is my little pre-workout drink. Just a little something. Yeah, look at that little green juice. I'll do a video dedicated to the place where I get my smoothies from in a later video. But today, it's going down. Hey, but let me go ahead and work out, and I'll holler at y'all guys later. Here's my halfway point. I usually stop at this point and sit down and look at the view. It's a nice view. As you can tell by my Apple Watch right here, this is my 1.5 mile point, and I'm about to turn back around and head home. Yep, I made it home. This is a quick view outside. Love these Cali views. Man, it's so beautiful. Yep, I just finished my little 3 miles. 3.14 miles. Kind of tired. Actually, my stomach just growled, so it's about time to me head home. What's up? So I just got back from my run, showered, changed a little bit, got cleaned up, and now it's time to start cooking. I already washed off my cauliflower, so let's go ahead and hit.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro.
What am I talking about? I'm supposed to be cooking Brussels sprouts, not cauliflower, Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts. Back to the video. Alright, we're going ahead and start chopping up this cauliflower. So I'm going ahead and throw it. How many times do I have to mess up? It's not cauliflower, it's Brussels sprouts. I don't know what was going on in my mind at this time, but I cannot get right. Please pray for me, please. It's on the table, and we're gonna do some internet magic over here because I don't feel like chopping and things like that. But while putting this on the table, we will talk about what I have planned right now. I'm doing a 30-day ab challenge, and so now I have everything prepped. Now it is time to lightly oil them, and then I'm going to season. Alright, so I season it with this Montreal steak seasoning. If only y'all people would season y'all vegetables like y'all season y'all meat, stuff would turn out a little bit better. But I'm gonna go ahead and season just a little bit more with some Montreal, and then I'm gonna throw some little salt and pepper and some extra stuff on there. And I'm gonna go ahead and throw this bad boy in the oven. Alright, I'm done chopping these up, and they are inside of the pan. I'm about to go ahead and throw some olive oil on there. I'll grab this real quick. But yeah, so if y'all made it this far in the video, comment down below and ask me what should I cook next. Give me some ideas, people. I want to know. Because really, I'm just doing this off a whim. I'm planning my videos, but really, I'm not. I'm just really doing this as a hobby, and I really do enjoy making these videos. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some pepper on there. So I'll move for one hand. Do that to the side. Okay. I set my I had my ring light set up earlier. I really didn't feel like messing with it, but now I'm now you can see my little pretty face. I might have to little pop off with the light skin face real quick. But that's I think that's doing a little too much. And then you already know keeping it simple. I'm not really trying to overdo this. Overdo these sweet potatoes. I'm just doing something slight. And right now, the oven is preheated, and all I have to do is throw that bad boy in there. So we go ahead and throw this in here, and then I'm gonna catch up back with y'all when it's done. I got it in the oven. The oven is already preheated. I had the oven preheated to around 380, and all I have to do is just really set it in there and do my own thing. So my cauliflower is done, and I keep these little things on the side for chips. Like, you know, if you want a little healthy little snack, you could take these on the side and put them like a little Ziploc bag and eat for a snack. Tasty. Let's see, they just the right. We'll go ahead and do a taste test real quick. Ooh, it's steaming. As for my potatoes, they're not even done yet. They need to be in there just a little bit longer. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the heat up on. I'm gonna turn the heat up on these so they can cook all the way through. And yeah, I'm gonna turn it to about 400, and then keep on pushing. So yep, here they go. And this right here is my finished product. All right then, guys, let's go ahead and do a taste test.
Thank God.
Just playing, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and holla at your boy. Don't watch TV, watch me.